Church of Santa Maria della Catena. Go inside and pay for your ticket. I went to many churches already, so I got a reduced price of $150. Going straight in, on the floor you can see tombs. There are many pillars, however there's one special green pillar. The ticket includes an optional private tour guide. So going straight down the middle, there are many flowers. It was recently Easter. The flower kept falling, so we just removed it. So since this is at the front, this is the main thing to look at. There is a book on the table, it's all in Italian, and you can have a look through it. During the earthquake, the left-hand side of the church was mainly destroyed. However, on the right-hand side, you'll find 5 chapels. The first chapel has many paintings and some information that you can read about. The second chapel is amazing. This used to be the main section. As you can see, there are many paintings. In the middle, there are 2 paintings on top of each other. That's because the one in the middle was restored. In English, this means Church of Chains. The port is in a horseshoe shape, and there was a chain in the middle. This protected them from a fleet. In total, there are 11 saints. In this chapel, there's 4. In Quattro Canti, there's another 4. The other 3 are missing. Each saint protects you differently. For example, one of them can heal you. The next chapel is made out of marble. There is lots of detail in this chapel. If you look here, we have the crucifixion of Jesus. On both sides are the tools they used to torture him. So there are weapons that they used to prod him with. There's also a stick with a sponge because he was really thirsty. Above, you can also see different stories within the Bible. Within the church, there's a few things made out of plaster. These things were removed because they don't fit with the same era. In the middle of the chapel, this masterpiece was taken from the church next door. That church was destroyed in the war and is now an office building. The next chapel is a mixed marble chapel, and it's about nativity. Walking along, you'll see some things that was saved from the church that was destroyed next door. So if you keep on going, you reach the back and there's another chapel. You'll see a picture of baby Jesus holding a pomegranate. This pomegranate means passion for Jesus. Next to the chapel is the main section I showed you at the beginning. Moving on to the left-hand side, there's another chapel. Behind Jesus are the bones of the 13 fathers. On both sides of this chapel, there are tombs. If you keep on going, you'll see another tomb that has been reused. On top, there are 2 family crests. Right next to this is the organ. It didn't seem to make any noise. Looking at the left side of the church, it's all white. On the floor, you can see a memorial plaque. There's no concrete information on the left-hand side of the church because everything was destroyed. This here is the original wooden door. So when you enter the church, you'll see the main section. Next to it is holy water, however right now it's empty. Now we're at the exit. On the ceiling it's completely white. They have no idea what was on top. I really enjoyed this church and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.